Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to restore Snapchat streaks without paying. So you know that Snapchat added that feature of where we can pay and restore our streaks. So now there also is another way how you can restore it, but that could be working for only one time if you haven't used it. So let's say I do not have currently any streaks with anyone, but what you can do is simply when you there will be an option in front of that, let's say where these emojis appear to restore the streak, but that will be only for one time. So for the first time, if you want to restore it, you can do it for free, but other than that it will be paid. So that's the only process to restore your streak if you have broken it. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.